Like Heidi has her own fort. It's pretty small, basic castle and the fort, but I can only guide her with treats in the side. It's actually small, and she has to squeeze inside. So I'm building her a bigger one. So here we go. First we're doing the roof. So I'm sticking these through, tying it. Here's the basic element to try tying it.
Let's do the entrance next.
Okay. I'm gonna get the sharpest ones I can find. Where is it? I can barely reach it. These are some of my sharpest scissors.
Okay, let's get started.
They're my sharpest kid scissors in the room, at least. So, here we go.
Come on. So tell me about why you chose this fort design. Well, because I think it would be better, a better, like, so it can be safe, sturdy, good shape, Oh wow, okay, so you're about halfway done with the door. Yeah. So what makes a good pair of scissors? You took some time to pick out your scissors. What are you looking for in scissors? What do you like about these ones? This is my favorite color. I'm more used to doing it with my right hand. Okay. But I am left-handed, but I still use my right hand for this. But I can sometimes use my right hand for writing, but it's a bit harder because I can't quite balance it as well. Yeah. Look at how much my left hand struggles with this. Your left hand looks stronger though.
Okay, time to pop it out.
Whoa. Oh. One little piece left.
There. Let's put those to the side. Well, unlike most cat forts, this is not going to have the battlements on top of the towers.
Where are they going to be?
Because they're going to be too complicated.
Okay.
By far, just around... by far, just the front, but not... just maybe I could spread them a bit, one there, one there, one there.
Or you could just draw them on the side, right?
One there, one there maybe, one there, one there, one there, one there.
So how are you making the battlements?
I'm gonna be using popsicles, craft sticks.
Oh, okay.
They're like popsicle sticks, but they're for crafts.
Okay. So let's put the towers on first.
Okay.
Now what?
for the battlement.
Okay.
But we still have a few finishing touches
Okay.
to it. So I'm gonna build a paper carpet.
Okay. We need to get some more pipe cleaners. So what are we using the pipe cleaner for?
I'm gonna make her whole carpet.
Okay.
Hey, feather.
Cool. Nice. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Great. Let's see if we can get a cool video. Wow, they're gonna love it.
We're gonna make the strand across for the opening,
Okay.
like Absolute Chris did in the Buckingham Palace video.
Okay.
So, like, we gotta add some tape, so it can stay on the front until the opening.
Okay.
So, we need 2 pieces, this is not really gonna stay on it forever. Tape. Some tape. We are gonna cut this in a minute or two. Right next to Fort Hill.
Okay.
It's time for the
Hold
grand
on. Let's Okay.
It's time for the grand opening.
Yay! Looks great. We have a whole village of box forts. And there's one over here too.
I can do it.
She's not so sure. We might need to give her time to just explore it on her own. Let's see. Heidi?
Oh, I'll do it. Do you have any other ideas?
Come on, Heidi. Want to go in? She's not so sure.
She's not doing it.
She's showing it her butt.
Heidi and Hildy, they're my favorite little pussycats. Heidi and Hildy, they're my favorite little dudes. Heidi is very fierce and Hildy is a fluff ball. They hope you like the videos. Subscribe too. That's it.
Great.